Another problem, the numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. Do you know numerator? We don't know. Do you know its denominator? We don't know. They are unknown quantities. But you know one thing, the numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. 4 less than the denominator. Okay? If 1 is added, both its numerator and denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. It becomes 1 by 2. Here, numerator is not given, denominator is not given. But you know one clue, you add one both numerator and denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. Find out such fraction. But one clue is there. What is that? The numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. For example, denominator is 10. Denominator is 10. Denominator is 10. What is the numerator? 4 less than the denominator. That means 6. For example, denominator is 11. What is the numerator? 4 less than the numerator. That means 7. Like this. Okay. So do you know such numerator and denominator? We don't know. Let us take the numerator and denominator. This is known as the fraction. So fraction is equal to numerator by denominator. What is the denominator here? We don't know. Okay, let us take the denominator be d. Let us take the denominator be d. Numerator is 4 less than the denominator. 4 less than the denominator. That means d minus 4. 4 less than the denominator. That equal to d minus 4. Okay, so here we don't know the numerator and denominator. Let us take the denominator be d, their numerator be d minus 4. Now the fraction is equal to d minus 4 by d. Okay, solution. Let us take the denominator of a fraction be d. Denominator of a fraction be d. Okay. Now numerator is equal to 4 less than the denominator. Okay, from the problem, numerator equal to 4 less than the denominator. Okay, so numerator equal to 4 less than the denominator means d minus 4. Okay, now the fraction. Therefore, fraction is equal to numerator by denominator. Numerator is d minus 4 by denominator equal to d. So numerator d minus 4, denominator equal to d. Okay, so from the problem, if 1 is added both numerator and denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. Okay, so from the problem, if 1 is added to both its numerator and denominator, it becomes how much? 1 by 2. Okay, so what is the numerator here? D by 4. What is the denominator here? D. How much you add both numerator and denominator? 1. So you add 1 both numerator and denominator. Okay, it becomes how much? 1 by 2. So numerator is d minus 4. You add 1 both numerator and denominator. It becomes 1 by 2. Numerator d minus 4 plus 1. Denominator d plus 1. It becomes 1 by 2. Okay. After adding 1 both numerator and denominator, it becomes 1 by 2. You get one simple equation. You have to solve it and you get its answer very simply. How? So d minus minus 4 plus 1 that equal to minus 3 by d plus 1 equal to 1 by 2. You have two fractions on both sides. Simply cross multiply 1 by 1. Here 2 is division. After transposition it becomes multiplication. Okay, 1 is multiplication. Of transposition it becomes division. That means cross multiplication. Okay, 2 into d minus 3. Here d plus 1 is division. Of transposition multiplication. So 1 into d plus 1. Cross multiplication. 2 is in the 2 in denominator place. After transposition it becomes numerator. So 2 into d minus 3. Now d plus 1 is in the place of denominator. Of transposition it becomes numerator. So 1 into d plus 1. Okay, now you have to multiply it. So 2 into d, 2d minus 2 3 is a 6. 1 into d, 1 1 is a 1. Okay, now you write all d terms in one side. So 2d minus plus d of transposition minus d. This is minus 6 of transposition plus 6. So 2d minus d, 1d, that means d equal to 6 plus 1, that equal to 7. Yes, what is d here? Here d indicates denominator. Therefore, denominator of the fraction is equal to how much? 7. What is the numerator here? Numerator of the fraction equal to d minus 4. That means 7 minus 4, that equal to 3. That equal to 3. What do you want? Find out the fraction. Therefore, fraction is equal to numerator 3 by denominator 7. So now the fraction equal to 3 by 7. Okay, all of you have shown.